New York City became the epicenter of AI innovation on November 20th as the Agentforce World Tour delivered groundbreaking updates, live demos, and clear message: agents are coming. If you missed it, don't worry, we've all got the highlights here. This event wasn't just a conference, it was a complete experience of innovation, learning, and collaboration. The day started with dynamic keynotes by Salesforce leaders who shared groundbreaking updates on the latest Agentforce capabilities. These include new AI agents built specifically for Tableau and Slack, designed to enhance analytics and collaboration workflows like never before. These agents promise to integrate seamlessly with your business, unlocking more efficiency and smarter decision making. The excitement didn't stop there. The summer release updates were also unveiled, featuring advanced features that make building and deploying Agentforce AI agents more easier and more powerful. Attendees got hands-on with these updates at the Agentforce Testing Center, where they explored and tested latest tools and configurations. It was an invaluable opportunity to understand how these agents could be tailored to your specific business needs. One of the standout moments from the event was the live Agentforce build session. Right before everyone's eyes, an AI agent was built from scratch, showcasing the simplicity and flexibility of Agentforce. It was a clear demonstration of how businesses can leverage this platform to solve real-world challenges. The event also featured some industry-specific demos, including finance, healthcare, and retail. Beyond the technology, the event offered a fantastic blend of networking, consultation, and fun. Attendees connected with industry experts, exchanged ideas, and received guidance on leveraging Agentforce in their industries, all while enjoying interactive booths, lounges, and more. If this excites you, don't miss our Agentforce YouTube series where we break down its application and features. You will find the playlist link in the description below. We've also published detailed blogs about Agentforce, and you can catch the full keynote on Salesforce Plus to dive deeper into everything Agentforce has to offer. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on Agentforce and future of AI. See you in the next video. Bye!